Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I'm definitely still looking at this as either an A or a 1. I still think this move up right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is an A or B. I think we need to make an A, B, C for the B or B, and I think we need to make another uptrend for the wave C, probably a wave C or B, or possibly a wave C of 2. Either scenario, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I was thinking that this wave B was already over. I mean, this could possibly go up and retest these highs pretty easily before it actually does go down. But I still think it is likely that it does make a lower high, lower high. I still think this is likely a wave B, wave A, and I still think it needs to go down and make a wave C, which I think is a wave C of wave B, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this right here looks like a downtrend. I still think it looks like an A. I still think this is like a big old A, B, C, D, E, or some sort of a complex correction. Maybe even like a WXY possibly. Either way, no matter how you label it, I still think it's likely a wave 2, and I'm likely still watching these Fibonacci levels. At this point, probably the 78.6 for the end of a wave 2, and probably the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 3. We definitely got a lot of dollar news this week. We got CPI and we got federal funds rate for the dollar this week. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I would definitely still be looking for longs on pullbacks on shorter time frames, especially because we're not at a Fibonacci level. It's probably pretty likely that it is going to continue up. If it goes up to the 78%, makes a big engulfing move down, makes a breaker structure, especially if it happens at the news, then that's probably going to be the end of a wave 2 and probably the continuation of the downtrend for a wave 3. The part that kind of gives it away for me is that it's impulsive up, 1, 2, 3 down, impulsive up, 1, 2, 3 down. This looks like impulsive up. And based on the other dollar pairs, it probably is a wave 1, 2, and 3. And it probably needs to make a wave 4, and it probably needs to make a wave 5 just to finish off this trend for the wave E before we get the breaker structure and the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely are going up right now. I definitely would be looking for longs. I 100% wouldn't be trying to go long now. I would actually prefer to see it go down and break structure, proving to me that it's this wave 3 is over and that this wave 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4, and if I could get in at the end of this wave 4, that would be a really good long opportunity, probably up to the 78%, right around, what is it, the 1.38 area, to finish off what I think is likely a wave 5. So we definitely are still looking for longs, and we're definitely only going long on pullbacks on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.